Hey guys, another trip to NCMP. This was a rainy day. We thought we were going to get rained out. Had to sit there for thunderstorms for a half hour. Appreciate you, Tyler, for throwing down some heaters. Hope you had a safe travels back to Pennsylvania. I didn't put that in there, that's why I had to. Fucker. Alright, I got that one on camera. It didn't hurt. We're good. What's up? Nah, I cased it and then this thing's kind of soft. I cased it and it was the second bounce that took me out. Yeah. Alright, I don't know if I'm gonna hit this again or not, but you see me bust my ass? No. That triple is way lippier. It used to kind of go like this, now it's like yeah. Well, I didn't land on the throttle, so I kind of washed out front end. You got it. Yeah. There was some speed. Huh? There was some speed. Keep on the gas, don't let gas. Yeah. When in doubt, throttle out. When in doubt, throttle out. Nice. It's like an intestine, you know? Yeah, some organs. Yeah. You're trying to save some energy for tomorrow, I can tell.
Yeah, I'm just fucking around.
Yeah. When you turn it on, I can see the difference.
Yeah. Corner pack. What a loser.
What?
KTM, KTM, KTM.
KTM. Can't tell? You can't tell, dude? Oh, man. Yeah, it's KTM. Yeah, this is a 270 cc. It's a special edition. You want to throw this on and lay down a heater real quick?
Sure, give me a second.
Show the YouTube what it's like.
Dude, I almost ate shit on that inside.
I saw it.
I was like, no way I'm dropping my grip in the mud right now.
Hold on for dear life. Yeah, that whip was sick over there.
Dude, I threw it the one lap and my foot like slid up. I did not think I was saving it.
Oh, on that
one before the rollers.
Gotcha. Am I out of gas? Unreal. Good spot for it. Great spot for it. Get them boots all muddy, bud. Oh, yeah. Yes, dude. I'm gonna try to roll her down this hill. You know what? I skipped the gym today, so let's get a workout in, boys. Oh, can I sneak out over here?
Okay.
I ran out of gas.
Uh-oh. Well, hop in.
All right. That's a walk of shame, man.
Where are you parked at?
Right at the front.
Right up top.
Right by the towers.
We'll take the road back around.
All right.
It won't be so muddy.
That's embarrassing. Yeah, this is like 1.8 or something like that.
Right.
Yeah, it's small. Oh yeah, that was fun. Yeah.
Your kickstand came down.
Really?
I was like, holy fuck.
I need to start taking it off. That'd be bad.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you need to get stitched today.
That hurt my ankle.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Did I clear it that time too?
Huh?
Did I clear it that time too?
You cleared it though.
I have to try so much harder at the fucking the base of the jump. Like you guys can just fucking. That was a good case though, right? I mean.